Here are 70 food hacks that actually work, all in one video. Timestamps are in the description, so save this and come back anytime. Let's get into it. 5 egg hacks that will change how you cook. 1. Lower eggs into already boiling water, not cold, and they peel like a dream. 2. Spin an egg. If it spins fast it's hard-boiled, if it wobbles it's still raw. 3. Squeeze an empty bottle over the yolk and it lifts right out, no shells, no mess. 4. Whisk in a splash of water, not milk, for the fluffiest scrambled eggs. 5. Store eggs pointy end down to keep them fresher for longer. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 fruit and veg hacks that save food and time. 1. Pop unripe avocados in a paper bag with a banana to ripen them overnight. 2. Soak limp celery or greens in ice water and they turn crisp again. 3. Peel ginger with the edge of a spoon. No waste and it gets every curve. 4. Trap cherry tomatoes between 2 plates and slice them all in one go. 5. A squeeze of lemon keeps cut avocado and apple from going brown. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 leftover hacks that taste like brand new meals. 1. Sprinkle stale bread with water and warm it. It comes out crusty and fresh again. 2. Reheat pizza in a skillet, not the microwave, for a crispy base every time. 3. Freeze leftover herbs in olive oil cubes for instant flavor when you cook. 4. Day-old rice makes the best fried rice. A whole new dinner from leftovers. 5. Microwave leftovers with a cup of water beside them to keep everything moist. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 baking hacks that make everything turn out better. 1. Forgot to soften the butter? Grate it cold and it blends in instantly. 2. Hard brown sugar? Microwave it with a damp paper towel and it's soft again. 3. No buttermilk? Add a splash of vinegar to milk and wait 5 minutes. 4. Cookie spreading flat? Chill the dough first for thick, bakery-style cookies. 5. Wrap a damp towel strip around the pan for perfectly flat, even cake layers. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 breakfast hacks for fast mornings that still taste great. 1. Mix overnight oats the night before for a grab-and-go breakfast with zero morning effort. 2. Pre-bag smoothie portions in the freezer. Just tip into the blender and go. 3. Bake eggs in a muffin tin to batch a week of breakfasts at once. 4. Keep pancake batter in a squeeze bottle for neat, no-mess pancakes. 5. Day-old bread makes the best French toast. Breakfast and zero waste. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 sandwich hacks for a lunch that never disappoints. 1. Layer wet fillings between dry ones so the bread never goes soggy. 2. Lightly toast the bread so your sandwich holds together until lunchtime. 3. Wrap the sandwich tightly in parchment so it stays packed and never falls apart. 4. Swap bread for a waffle. It holds up far better and tastes amazing. 5. Grate cold cheese for an even, fast melt in a hot sandwich. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 meal prep hacks that save time and money all week. 1. Cook one big batch and portion it into containers for grab-and-go meals all week. 2. Freeze meals flat in bags. They stack like books and thaw in minutes. 3. Label with the date and name so nothing gets lost or forgotten in the freezer. 4. Prep ingredients like chopped veg and cooked grains so you can mix any meal fast. 5. Keep a use-first shelf in the fridge so food gets eaten before it goes to waste. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 pasta hacks for restaurant-level dinners at home. 1. Salt the pasta water generously. It's your one chance to season the pasta itself. 2. Save a cup of starchy pasta water. A splash makes any sauce silky and glossy. 3. Finish the pasta in the pan with the sauce so every bite is coated, not just topped. 4. Don't add oil to the water. It just makes the sauce slide off later. 5. Pull the pasta a minute early. It finishes cooking in the hot sauce, perfectly al dente. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 easy snack hacks that are healthy and actually filling. 1. Apple slices with nut butter. Sweet, crunchy, and keeps you full for hours. 2. Spread yogurt with berries on a tray, freeze, and snap into a cool snack. 3. Roast chickpeas with spices for a crunchy, protein-packed snack. 4. Pre-cut veggie sticks with hummus make grabbing something healthy effortless. 5. Portion trail mix into small jars so it's a grab-and-go snack, not a whole bag. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 drink and smoothie hacks for refreshing sips every day. 1. Use frozen fruit instead of ice for a thick smoothie that never gets watery. 2. Drop fruit and herbs in your water for flavor that makes you drink way more. 3. Freeze coffee into cubes so your iced coffee stays strong, never watered down. 4. Blend a spoon of oats into your smoothie to make it filling enough for breakfast. 5. Frozen grapes chill any drink without watering it down like ice does. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 flavor hacks that make any meal taste like a chef made it. 1. Toast spices in a dry pan for a minute. It wakes up huge flavor. 2. A squeeze of lemon or splash of vinegar at the end brightens the whole dish. 3. Salt a little at each stage, not all at the end, for deep, even seasoning. 4. Add fresh herbs right at the end so they stay bright and fragrant. 5. A pinch of sugar balances an acidic tomato sauce and rounds out the flavor. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 kitchen prep hacks that save time and make cooking easier. 1. Put a damp towel under your cutting board so it never slips while you chop. 2. Measure and chop everything before you start. Cooking gets calm and mistake-free. 3. Smash garlic with the flat of a knife and the skin slips right off. 4. Snip herbs straight into the bowl with scissors. Faster and no sticky board. 5. Keep a scrap bowl on the counter so you prep without 100 trips to the bin. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 food storage hacks that stop you throwing money in the bin. 1. Store fresh herbs upright in a jar of water and they last for weeks. 2. Rinse berries in a little vinegar and water, then dry. They last days longer, no mold. 3. Store bananas away from other fruit. They release a gas that ripens everything fast. 4. Keep onions and potatoes in separate spots. Together they make each other spoil. 5. Freeze food in portions before it goes off. Future you will be grateful. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. 5 easy dessert hacks for a sweet treat in minutes. 1. A chocolate mud cake in the microwave gives you warm cake in 2 minutes flat. 2. Blend frozen bananas for creamy nice cream that tastes like ice cream, no sugar added. 3. Dip strawberries or banana in melted chocolate for an instant fancy dessert. 4. Mix oats, nut butter, and honey into no-bake bites. Sweet, easy, no oven. 5. Layer yogurt, berries, and granola for a dessert that feels indulgent but isn't. Save this, and follow Doshi Boys for a new food hack every day. That's the whole collection. Subscribe for a new hacks video every week, and share this with someone who needs it.